Do you remember going to fireworks night and going, ooh, ah, at the beautiful fireworks in the sky? That's how you want your audience to feel inside when you open your presentation or your webinar or your talk. So welcome to this video tutorial on powerful beginnings. So why do we need a powerful beginning? Because you need to grab their attention in the first few seconds. Just like when you read the back of a book, say, and you think, oh yeah, I really want to read this. It's a hook, so the audience will tune in and listen to what you have to say. So what can you give them for a powerful beginning? You could ask them a question, say a great quote, or even something controversial. It doesn't really matter as long as it grabs their attention and of course is relevant to the content you're delivering. Now, what about when you're online? What happens if you're doing a presentation online and you're waiting for people to come on and there's conversations going around about, well, we're just expecting Tony and Jane and Sarah, for example, and there's a little bit of chit chat. It's not such a powerful beginning, and I know you haven't really started then, but what you can do is have two beginnings. So have what I call a soft beginning. For example, you could say, whilst we're waiting for everyone to arrive, I want you to ponder this question. You could say, how long does it take to make a first impression, if that was relevant to what you were talking about? You could even give them an answer, is it A, B or C? And then invite them obviously not to look it up on Google. And then you could refer to that in your presentation later. And then when everyone's there and you start, then you have your proper beginning, your powerful beginning, if you like. Hope that helps. Love to hear how you get on. Thanks very much.